Something bad happened. The evil witch turned the train into a pyramid. I need to guess his name. It has 6 letters. I can open just one letter, but I don't remember the order. Who will help me, please?
I am James. I will help you.
Hi, James.
Hi, Master Raccoon. I brought you a clue.
Show me, please. Yes, it's number 5. I think at the beginning I have to open the 5th letter. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a letter A. Excellent. But we have more letters to guess. Who is inside the pyramid? Let's think. Thank you, James, for helping me.
You're welcome.
What I am going to do? Who can help me to guess the next letter?
I am Freddie. I am going to help you.
Happy to see you, Freddie.
Me too, Master Raccoon. I brought you a new clue.
It's number 2. Let's count. 1, 2. The second letter in the name is the letter H. Very well, but many more letters I don't know yet. Who could it be? Let's think. Thanks, Freddie. Bye-bye.
Good luck, Master Raccoon.
Okay, 2 letters are done already. How can I find out the 3rd one? I need help.
I am Percy. I always helping my friends. I am ready to help right now.
Hi, Percy. You are always on time.
Yes, I was in a hurry because I wanted to bring in a new clue. Look at this.
This is the number 6. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, the 6th letter is S. Nicely done. We already did 1/2 puzzle, but which letter is hidden? We need to hurry up and rescue the train. Thank you for help, Percy. You were very useful.
I am always ready to help you. Bye-bye.
We made it the half puzzle way. The 3-letter left. Who will help me this time?
I am Connor. I will help you, Master Raccoon.
Hi, Connor.
Hi. I am understanding how important for you next clue. Look, what I brought.
This is the number 3. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3. The third letter in the name of the train is O. Great. Almost done. Just 2 letters left. Thank you, Connor. You're very helped us.
You're welcome. Wish you good luck.
Just a little bit more, but I very need your help. Help me, please.
I am going to help you, Master Raccoon.
You arrived just in time, Molly.
I brought you the new clue. Look at this. Please and guess faster. I don't like when my friends are in trouble.
Oh, this is the number 4. Let's count the letters again. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 letter is M. Just 1 step more. Just 1 letter left and I will know who is inside the pyramid. Thank you, Molly. We couldn't handle it without you.
You're welcome. Rescue my friend, please.
The last step, and the strongest. Who will help me this time?
I will help you. I'm coming.
Hi, Billy. Happy to see you.
I also Master Raccoon. Rather look for a last clue.
The last clue is number 1. Oh, the first letter in the name of the train is T. Now we can read the name, Thomas. So, the bad evil witch put Thomas in the pyramid, and I am going to rescue him now. I am going to opening the gate of the pyramid. That's not all. You need to pyramid departed. Just a little bit and Thomas will be free. Hooray! Thomas is free. Now he can go to his friends. But what happened? Thomas has lost all his energy and can't go. We need to help him to move. Who will help him, please?
I will.
All done. Everybody is happy together again.
Thank you, Master Raccoon. Thank you, friends.